How did two Ukrainian brothers end up working for Marlow Navigation in Cyprus?
Well, as for me, in 2003, I've started with Marlow, Ukraine. After completing maritime studies in Odessa University, and in 2004, I was invited to Marlow, Cyprus, where I continued to work as crew superintendent. At that time, the company was extending extensively, and I found a good possibility to learn something new. It's been Marlow Navigation since university times.
When you came to Cyprus, did he have come with you?
He didn't. He is still 14 years younger than me. And I think that time he was somewhere in the school.
Yeah, I started as a cadet in Marlow Navigation in 2014 and continued to become a second officer. I was working on board of vessels and not like my brothers sitting cozy in the office. And in 2021, there was open position in Marlow Navigation Cyprus, so I immediately applied and arrived to Cyprus in November 2021. And now I'm superintendent like Yuri.
Yeah, same cozy.
Yeah.
How does it feel to have a little brother working?
Well, actually, he is not little anymore, and from the beginning, I just asked him not to disappoint me throughout the career, and he didn't. He exceeded my expectations.
Evgeny, do you think that your time on the vessel helps in your role ashore?
Yes, of course, because I understand the seafarers and their challenges. For example, if captain starts explaining me something technical, I understand him immediately. As I had experience on container ships, I can discuss freely towage planning, the dangerous cargoes, planning on board, and different countries' regulations. It really helps a lot.
Would you say that the sea is part of your past?
Well, every morning I walk past the sea, and also I see it from my office window. It will never be in my past, and for 8 years as a seafarer, it's part of my life. I'm happy ashore, but if needed, I can go back.
We could arrange that.
Ah!